Hi there. In this video, we will see how to endorse multiple skills for your contacts, automatically using Fiyole. To endorse skills, click on Endorse Contacts on Fiyole menu box. If you are not in LinkedIn search page, Fiyole will prompt you to navigate there. Once you are in LinkedIn search page, filter out the contacts, whose skills you want to endorse. For example, contacts based on location, connections or companies. After filtering contacts, click on the Endorse Contacts again. Now, select the number of profiles you want to endorse and click the Endorse button. Now, Fiyole will start endorsing skills for selected profiles. As you see, Fiyole is endorsing skills one by one for all the selected contacts.